Let's see how to delete header from second page in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's go ahead and insert our header. Let's just simply type in 1. And as you will see, that header will be the same all throughout your document. Now, to delete this header, we first have to make sure that this header is in a different section from the second page header. So what we can do is click on the bottom of the first page, and let's go ahead to the layout tab. Let's insert a section break. And what that will do is it will separate your document into 2 sections. So you'll see that when I click this header now, it shows that this is section 1 and this is section 2. So to delete this header, make sure that you disable the link to previous. Go ahead and click that. Now let's try to delete it. And you'll notice that our header is still on page 1, while it is gone on the second page. And that is how you delete a header from the second page in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.